All right, thanks for being with us. Dr. Don Gates joins us this morning. You see the Scale Solutions commercials. Dr. Gates, thanks for being here with us this morning. Jessica was mentioning, New Year's resolutions coming up. I guess that does make this an appropriate time to talk about weight loss. But you're doing this all year long. I mean, really, and that is how to change your life and lose the weight. Is think of it as a lifelong thing.
Absolutely. This is the time of year that most people begin to try to make some changes to their lifestyle, and we're here to help them with that.
All right, tell me what Scale Solutions is all about and how you got into this. I mean, first of all, you're a doctor. Your background is an emergency room practice, but you've made this transition. And what is Scale Solutions?
Scale Solutions is a concept my wife and I started. I got into it via two things. One of them is a passion. I used to be a competitive athlete, and obviously nutrition is critical for peak performance. But also out of a practical standpoint, like most people, I let my health kind of take a back seat. I gained about 40 pounds and I got diabetes, and it came about because it necessitated a life change from the high pressures of emergency medicine. And so Scale Solutions became a practical outflow, both of passion and the changes that I made in my own life.
All right, let's talk about what kind of results people can expect. What are you giving people in their lives?
The results that people can expect can be anywhere, and of course, obviously, there's personal effort involved here, but as long as they're looking for a healthy weight, they can expect to achieve that weight, whether it's 5 or 10 pounds that they're trying to lose, or just make some nutritional changes, up to, we've had patients lose 170 pounds with us as well.
Well, how does the program work, and how can people watching television now, maybe folks who've lost weight or struggle to lose weight, believe that this really is the solution for them?
Well, there's a couple aspects that make us unique. Number one, it's effective. We concentrate on the core principles that work regardless of what kind of diet that you do. Number two, we give you medications that help control the symptoms of dieting, the hunger, the cravings that just drive you crazy. And then number three, it really works. And I'm here to educate you, not just give you pills and medications, but to teach you how to use your own foods to make the kind of changes, whether they're big lifestyle changes or whether they're just small changes.
All right, let me ask you a question about your life. Now, you look great. You certainly look healthy here. Now, how has losing the weight affected your diabetes?
Vastly improved it. Vastly improved it. A measure that they use is a hemoglobin A1C, and those have been normal ever since that I've been diagnosed with diabetes. Well, once I got into controlling my weight. But that's an interesting aspect, and we're honest in our approach. I live the lifestyle that I advocate, and I attempt to be authentic in everything that I preach there. It's not just, do this, get skinny. I live it.
All right, now there are a lot of locations. We put up scalesolutions.com. It's scale-solutions.com up on the screen, and a phone number too. And I figure that's probably the easiest way for folks to find you than all the locations they may not remember. But let's tell them, how many locations and where are you?
We have 5 locations. We're in Richmond Hill. We're also in Savannah, Pooler, Bluffton, and also Hinesville.
Scale-solutions.com. That'll find it there for you. Thank you, sir. Dr. Gates, appreciate you being here this morning.
Thank you.